Thank you everyone for joining this session. I'm really excited to jump into Data Analyzer and our quick insights today. First, we're going to go ahead and start with our computerized maintenance management system app. In this case, this application, great example of, we have, let's say, a lot of work orders. We have a lot of preventive maintenance, and within the work orders, we're going to want to take a look at what is causing our work orders to be critical. So if I go here to the work orders table, if I go here to the work order priority, I can open this up, same quick insights. Love about this is the quick insights, it's pre-filled for me. All I have to do in this case is just select the value to predict. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the value I want to predict. In this case is critical. I'll go ahead and generate. This is great. The quick insights is a great kind of picture and view into what I was looking for. But I want kind of deeper insights, right? I want to get really into the factors, and I want to see what's really driving these answers here. What you can do in the bottom left is we have the install data analyzer available, where you can go ahead and click onto the data analyzer, where you can go ahead and install. I'll just say this is for the demo, install the application. We are good to go. So we're going to open up this app, and we're now in the data analyzer application. You go to your app settings once you download this app, go to your plugins in the advanced features, and you're going to want to install the data analyzer plugin. Give it a quick name. I'll just say this is the demo, and check this box here at the very bottom where all the requirements for this plugin have been met. You just really walk through what it's prompting us to do. So the ML models table, we open this up, we pick that table. You'll notice that it autofills for us. And then as well for the factors, it's filling up for us, and the percentiles. I'll go ahead and hit save. So I'll go back here to the home page, and I'm going to create a new model. Okay. It'll be prompted to start the wizard. For this, I'm going to pick what app and what table I would like to create a model for. Work order priority, critical, do list all, and model name. That looks good. We'll go ahead and analyze. Cool. It's ready. Well, let's go ahead and check out that model. So up top, you'll notice the general information. This just goes over the creation dates, all of it, the performance rating, and the performance score. Below, we have some of the factor insights, which is what I'm most interested in kind of getting into here. We could continue to go through and evaluate, what's causing our critical work orders. And then we could also view the model details. So again, just really kind of diving into more of the details of this model, where we have our work order type, job site, asset group. Now, this is where one of the parts I absolutely love is the model deployment, because it's one thing to actually look at this in the data analyzer app, but I think it's a whole nother thing to get this into your application that you just ran the model on, and then make that something actionable. Like, what are you going to do with that information? So it's extremely easy to do. From here, you can copy the formula, okay? And then if we go back to our app, which is the computer maintenance, I'm going to go ahead and open up the fields in our work orders table. I'm going to create a new field. We're going to add that field to the form, and then I'm going to pop into the settings of this, and I'm just going to paste the formula from the data analyzer app. What I also like to do is in the decimal places, I like to go 0, and then I like to change this to %. And then from there, we should be good. So I'll hit save. All right, so what we have here on the right is we can now see the percentage and the likelihood of a work order. Let's say it's being created, it's not yet critical. So one thing that if we already have a critical work order, but really what I'm going after here is if it's not critical yet, let's say it's medium or low, or there has not yet been a priority that's been assigned to my work order, I may want to actually create a report specifically focused on if these predictions are 50% or higher or 70% or higher, and that priority is not yet critical. I may want to create a report of that information and then actually have that on a dashboard.